Welcome to Austin. You're going to hear a lot about several products over the next couple of days. In this session, I want to zoom out a little bit, talk briefly about the company. Sridhar talked a lot, and more importantly, talk a little bit about the products, zooming out and talk about why we are doing whatever we're doing. So we had a decent idea on the number of applications you use, so I'm going to skip the polls and directly jump briefly about the company. We have over 250,000 companies using our products. And we do business in over 200 countries. And of course, we have over 40 applications, 35 million users, and we are adding several million users every year, over 5,000 employees, and this is our 22nd year in business. And you got a brief overview about the company and the culture. End of the day, it comes down to the products. As Sridhar said, we didn't build teams to build products. We build the culture of the team, which enables us to build great products. And whenever we say we have 40 applications, people come and say, "You guys are crazy. Why do you need 40 applications?" But there is a method behind this madness, where if you start a company, you'll have an idea on the applications that you will need. You're not going to think of them as applications, you're going to think of them as various tools. I want to take you through the journey of a typical company. Let's say you're starting a company. Maybe you register an LLC or an INC. What do? Well, first you want to establish some presence. One of the ways to establish presence is maybe set up a website. So first you go acquire a domain name. Well, we offer domain name registration with Zoho. Then you go set up a website to establish your online presence. And you want to make sure that your visitors, your prospects are clicking on the right things you expect them to click. So you may want to optimize your website. So there is a tool for that. And then once they are on your website, you may want to engage with them, like a chat session with them. So there is a tool for that. So like that, to establish presence online, just like a website, you will need several tools, and that is the reason some of these tools exist. And to make sure that people know about your business, you may start talking about your business, maybe on your social channels, maybe Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. So social channels are important. And how do you establish a presence through that? Well, a tool can help there. That's why applications like social exist. And some of you, as your visitors come to your website, they fill up a form, maybe give you an email address to requesting additional information. And there are some businesses who purchase some lists. So whatever way, if you have your visitors request more information, you may want to stay in touch with them through email campaigns. So there is a tool that is needed, and that's the reason something like Zoho Campaigns exist. These are some few of marketing channels through which you establish presence. There are a lot more, like webinars, doing webinars if that model, that channel fits your business. Doing events, conducting events, hosting events. It could be content marketing based awareness. It could be n number of other things. It could be paid advertising, from Facebook ads to Google ads to all of that. No matter which marketing channel you go, you will need a lot of tools that can help you establish your business online. That's really the reason all of these products exist. But then once all these customers, or at least these visitors, come in, no matter which channel they're coming from, well, they are your prospects. Now you want to sell to them. And you need a good sales application, or good set of sales applications, a sales application that can funnel all the information, all the leads that you're getting from all those marketing sources. And that's where the CRM plays an important role. So no matter where your leads come from, they enter the CRM, and from CRM, now you can start converting those prospects into customers. And as your business grows, and as you get more prospects, it's important that you empower your sales team with the right tools to make them really productive. And that's where applications like Sales Inbox come in, where this is an email application optimized for salespeople, where they can focus on closing the deals instead of wasting their time on some of the unproductive things like copying information between various applications and things like that. And as your team grows, and as your sales team grows, you want to keep them motivated. Maybe a fun competitions between them could help, just to keep them motivated. Applications like Motivator falls into that picture. If you notice all of these, we have a bunch of tools on the marketing side to help you acquire leads. We have applications on the sales side to convert the leads into deals or customers. But once you have customers, you want to support them. That's the reason applications like Desk exist. Because support can come in to multiple ways. Because there'll be a customer who will pick up the phone and call you on the phone, and your support system has to track that. Some people may just visit your website and request support through that channel. Maybe they'll fill up a form and say, can you contact me? Some customers prefer a self-service model. They don't want to talk to anyone. They just want to look up your website and make sure that they get the answer right there without having to talk to someone. Well, a tool that can provide self-service for your customers can be of great help. Or it could be through other channels like email. They'll email you saying, hey, how do I fix this? How does this work? Or it could be other channels like social. Somebody tweets about how something works. Well, you may want to convert that tweet into a ticket so that you can assign it to your support rep and make sure that someone's on top of it and responding to that tweet on time. And it can come through various channels, and no matter which channel it comes from, it could be chat, it could be tweet, it could be an email or phone. You need a customer support system that can take all of this in and streamline your customer support experience. And that has been the work that we have been putting into Zoho Desk. And in fact, some tools may need assisting customers on their computer, remotely assisting customers. That's where applications like Assist come in. And to make sure that your customers are happy in the long run, you need to survey them, make sure that they're good. That's the reason applications like Survey exist. You see, there is a trend here. These are various tools that a typical business needs as they grow, and that is the reason we are doing all these applications in a broader sense. And I'm only talking about applications, the marketing side, applications on the sales side, and customer support side. In fact, we have taken some of these applications and offer it as a bundle, as you may be familiar with. That's called the CRM Plus. But as you win customers, obviously there is a back office part of it that you have to take care on the finance side. You want to make sure that you account for everything, tax purposes, and of course for your own business purpose. Some businesses may be operating in a way where they send an invoice to the customer and the customer pays online, so you need an invoicing tool. But then there are some businesses where they go online, fill up a form, and make the payment online. They directly check out product. So that's where applications like Checkout exist to bring in money into your business. And there are a lot of businesses moving into subscription business. So on a monthly recurring basis, maybe a quarterly or a yearly basis, so tools there could help. So these are three different tools that are basically bringing in money to your business, and all of these can be accounted in Zoho Books. While there is money in, there is also money out in terms of the expenses you incur as you run your business. That's where applications like Zoho Expense come in. So this is our finance suite. As your business grows, well, you need to manage people. So you need applications on that front as well. Zoho People lets you manage all your employees. And as your business grows, of course, you want to easily recruit employees. That's where applications like Recruit can help you easily recruit employees to your business. If you physically ship stuff, maybe you want to manage inventory, so inventory applications. And then a lot of businesses are very unique. And you may want some applications that are very specific to your business. And what if an application doesn't exist? Well, you can create one. You can create an application using Zoho Creator that Sridhar touched upon that lets users build applications. It's a platform over which you can build custom applications, and over 2 million applications have been created so far on the platform. And when we launched a major update 2 weeks back, we mobile enabled all those 2 million applications. That sounds crazy because Creator was in the market for about 11 years now. The applications that were created 11 years back are mobile ready. Think about it, how crazy it is. Applications that were created in 2006, before iPhone existed, now users can go back to that application and download an iPhone version of that application on their mobile phone. Again, protecting your investment, the past investments you made in the platform. That is creating custom applications, but how about integrations within your applications, within your custom applications, or even outside with third-party applications? So apps like Zoho Flow exist to connect various Zoho as well as, more importantly, the third-party applications. And as you have lots of apps, as you're accumulating a lot of data, financial side, you're accumulating a lot of data on your accounting system, customer data in your CRM system, and various other data across various systems, and you may want to analyze all that information in a centralized dashboard. That's where applications like Zoho Reports, which is a business intelligence platform that let you analyze all the information you have across your business, not just within Zoho applications, but also with the third-party applications. And we're talking about various applications from the front office side, as well as the back office side here. One, to manage your money, people, and assets. And of course, on the finance side, we have something called Finance Plus. We'll soon come up with People Plus on the HR side, and that's where we are going. And the applications that you need, the tools here that you need, doesn't really end there, because as Sridhar mentioned, communication. Like email is a form of communication, but how about other forms of communication? Chat is increasingly becoming a popular communication. That's why Qlik exists. And Qlik not only does chat, but it also does audio conferencing, video conferencing as well. And all of the unified communication stack is integrated right within these applications. And of course, if you look at the collaboration applications, there are various ways you collaborate. Some form of collaboration, like maybe collaborating within your sales team, there's no time limit to it. So, but then there are some projects where it comes with a time limit. It comes with a schedule. To manage such projects, we have Zoho Projects. And then we have another application called Zoho Sprint, who are bought into a different agile-based project management methodology. These are two different types of project management. If you're bought in, no matter which one you're bought into, we have tools for that. But as I said, there is a different form of collaboration which is not really time-bound or project-bound. In such cases, applications like Connect comes in. And of course, document management, where you share files, agreements with various customers, clients, and vendors. Document management fits in right there with Zoho Docs. And then there is also Sign. You create a document, you create an agreement, you want to get that agreement signed. Well, Zoho Sign exists for that reason. And as you create all these applications, of course, there's the creation applications, word processor, collaborative word processor, spreadsheet, presentation applications, and like a Showtime application like this, where you are able to join this particular presentation, see this presentation from your screen. All of those are various tools you could use. And of course, a note-taking application in Notebook. It doesn't mean that you need every single tool. Just like when you buy a toolbox for your home, you know that you're not going to use every single tool in your toolbox. But when you need it, it's there. And what we offer across this portfolio is basically a broad suite of applications, and we're talking about tens of applications here. You can add another 30 to 40 applications if you look at the mobile apps. And that is essentially the Zoho suite. And that is what, as Sridhar said, it is the operating system for business. It's the underlying fabric over which you can run your entire business. And these apps certainly can be purchased from multiple vendors independently, and you have to put together this solution as a customer. So you have to manage all this integration spaghetti, and that is basically what we are offering. We are offering an integrated suite of applications where you can run an entire business on a single platform, and that is basically Zoho One. Zoho One is an integrated suite of 40 plus web and mobile applications, the topmost editions of each of these applications. And we have offered an admin console on top of it and said, you can manage your entire business from Zoho One with an admin console, and you have complete control on what's going on. I can peel the onion and go into every single detail of it, but we're going to be here all day. But this is going to change the business. We see this as a disruption in the industry. And of course, because you get all of this in under single account, one price, and you have one invoice for your entire business, and you deal with one support team and all of that. So you don't have to worry about multi-year contract, multiple contracts with multiple vendors, and nickel and dime pricing and all of that. Historically, software has been rationed because they're limited, and you have to pick which users have access to what piece of software. We are saying, here are 40 different applications, go deploy it and enable access to every employee that you want. And if you look at the options we have, we are not saying you have to buy Zoho One. There are 3 options. If all you need is a single application, well, you can license the individual applications. And of course, we have the suites like CRM Plus and Finance Plus, where you can license the group of applications. And of course, if you prefer running an entire operating system, licensing the entire operating system, that's where Zoho One is. And if you don't really know where to get started, because these are 40 applications, we are there to help you. We have the Zoho Concierge team. They can look at your business, look at the tools that you're using, and they can say, for this business, these tools will be able to help you, and this is a free consultation. And they will be able to guide you through the right application, guide you on how to implement these applications. We have a gentleman from Texas White Lamb Company. So they went to their website, and they entirely redid this website. This site is hosted on Zoho sites. And the concierge team quickly built this. Looking at the website, they said, we're going to see how it is going to look in Zoho One. Users can chat with the rep at the bottom right corner, and they can contact the user. Whenever someone fills up the form, it will go to the CRM. They can chat with the rep, and they have done some cool integrations. And there is another company, for example, I think Ensemble Marketing. This entire site is built on Zoho site, and this company has subscription, so the team enabled Zoho subscriptions on top of it as part of it. And of course, it is mobile enabled automatically, and as your prospects are purchase the subscription, it looks something like this on their mobile phone, and they can directly purchase it. Zoho One is the operating system for business, and this one suite to run your entire business, and Zoho runs on Zoho. Pretty much most of Zoho runs on Zoho. I'm saying most because there are a few missing pieces, and that basically makes up our roadmap. With doing business in over 200 countries, we have to support multiple languages, multiple currencies, working across multiple time zones, and we do that seamlessly on Zoho, so we know the power of the platform. And it only gets better. When we launched Zoho One 6 months back, we had 35 applications. Now it's 40. Just like that, your Zoho One subscription added 5 more applications, and it keeps getting better. With that, I would like to thank you all for coming.